chords I'm playing are fa, so, mi, la, fa, so, then do. So with that being said, let's check what the intro is doing. Okay, so I'm using brass on the right side. Okay, so that is fa, la, do, ti, la, so, fa. Okay, one more time. Fa, la, do, ti, la, so, fa. Okay, then so, ti, re, do. Okay, then here we do duet. La, ti, do, la, ti, do, re, do. Then we play the do chord. Okay, slowly. Look at this one, the re. Okay, the la and the re. Then so and do. Then we play the chord. So let's check the chords. So Okamafo, Jesus, Okamafo, Jesus. So Okamafo, Yemobonfo, Nyamem, Abekama, Uda. Okay, so that is do Okamafo, then so Jesus, the so Okamafo, then do Jesus, so then to, then fa, then so Abekama, Uda. Okay. So brand muyedi, oh kune muyedi no. Okamafo Jesus bekama o, odima fo Jesus betiama o. Sa sembina tu, kawa kumato yemo. Okamafo Jesus bekama o. So far, so me. La, fa, so, then la, ti, do, fa, so, mi, la, then re, so, then do. Started like this. So let's break what I just did. La, do, ti, do, re, fa, la. Then we play so, zi. Okay, so, zi, so, fa, mi, so, mi, do, so, la. Okay, then we do fa, fa, la, so, la, do, re, mi, so. Okay, so that part we go like that. Then we play fa, then ti, do, then mi. Okay. Okay, so from that part, then we play this part. Okay, so that is zila, ti, do, la. Okay. So zila, fa, re, ti, ti. Then we play ti, 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 re. Then we flip from the la, ti. So mi, okay. So mi, okay. La, ti, so mi. Then we play fa, la, do, mi, fa, re, la, ti, okay. Okay. La, ti, re, ti. Then we play the same thing, just using the re, mi, so. Okay. Then we do mi, re, do. Okay. I'm doing it slowly. see you in another video. Bye.